going on, guys? The question is asking for what values of x belongs to 0 to 25. Does the graph of y is equal to 4x minus 3 tan x have a horizontal tangent? So what is, first of all, we have to understand what is horizontal tangent. Horizontal tangent is, for example, if you have a graph like this is going to be a horizontal line. Horizontal touches the slope. Uh, in this case, the slope of at that point is going to be 0. It can be this graph or it can be this graph, and if you see a horizontal tangent at that time, the slope is equal to 0. So that's what is particular it's really mean. So so for what values does have a horizontal tangent? So they are asking in what values it's going to give the straight line, the slope is going to give straight equal to 0, right? Basically that's what it means. So to find the slope, this is equal to 0, I have to first set this one equal to 0. So usually to find the slope of this, we do y prime to find the slope of this. So if I find the slope of this equal to 0, then I can find uh, where is the exact point the horizontal tangent exists, right? So in this case I can, so I equalize this to 0 and find the slope. So we equalize the slope is to 0. So therefore I have to 0 equal to, I have to find the slopes. To find the slope I have to find the derivative. It's going to be 4, derivative of 4x is going to be just 4 because 1 multiplied by 4 and 1 minus 1 is going to be x to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So it's going to be just 4 minus 3 tan x, and derivative of tan x is sec square x, so I can plug here, so it's going to be minus 3 sec square x. So this is this is the equation that gonna give the horizontal tangent. So first of all, let's find the x value, uh, which will give they're asking for the x value, right? For what values of x? So that's the question. So let's solve this. 3 sec square x is equal to 4. Sec square x is equal to 4 over 3. Sec x is reciprocal of cos x, so I can write it this one as uh, cos square x equal to, now I flip this one because this is equal to 1 over cos square x, so the cos square x is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore cos x is going to be equal to square root of 3 by 4, which is going to give square root of 3 by 2. Since we are taking this out of square root, this can be plus or minus. So this is the value we have to find. So we usually we know the root 3 by 2 is where cos x is equal to root 3 by 2, mean at it's like 30 degree, right? That's the general thing to remember, like cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. We have to remember this, right? So in this case we have plus or minus. It means we have to find all 4 quadrants, because in some quadrants cos is negative, some quadrant cos is positive. Since they are the values giving positive and negative, therefore we have to find all the value possible for this x. Therefore first we have found at 30 degree this value. So it means in every 30 degree it's going to be same value, but it just going to say change the sign. So this 30 degree, this 30 degree, this 30 degree, and this 30 degree. So this is 5 by 6. As you see, 5 by 6 is this value. This is 150 degree, right? So 150 mean 150 times 5 over 180 is going to be 5 over 6. 5 over 6. And you know all silver trigger the cup. So the cos is positive on only on first and the fourth quadrant, but in this case it doesn't matter because it's include negative too. So I can find every value and put it as my answer. So this is 150 degree. In this case cos is negative at 150, but it's okay because the answer is positive and negative. We have to find both of them. And the third one is 210. 210 is equal to 7 5 by 6. 7 5 by 6, that is 210. Then we have 330, that's 11 5 by 6. So these are the four values. uh, the the equation is, the graph is going to have tangent lines. So these are the four values of the answer. So we have to say x is equal, therefore x is equal to 5 by 6, 5 5 by 6, 7 5 by 6, and 11 5 by 6. So this is my final answer. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.